G'day, McDaddy here again. I'm with Tubby and I'm just showing him the modification I made. I mentioned this on the Grand Duke walk around and it was to do with the sink. This is the little flimsy plastic plug that comes with the camper, and this little sinkhole here, it leaks quite well. So I've replaced that. Not sure if you can see in here, Tubby.
Liking that.
Bang. So yeah, nice and neat, and underneath it still fits our little donkey, so we can still screw it on and catch our wastewater. So yeah, that's it. One little mod which I think is very useful.
On to the next one, mate.
Yep, moving on. Well, Tubby saw my pop-up sink plug. Now he wants one. So just give you a bit of advice on that.
Geez, you turn it up a bit, don't you?
You don't get that type of plug. This is old one out of my old kitchen sink. I didn't like it as a twist one. So you want the pop-up, and you don't want a hole on the waste. Right, so that's what we need. And 40 mils.
So why don't we want a hole in the waste? Is that because there's too much?
Because there's no waste overflow.
Ah, rightio.
So when we're replacing this, I found on mine that it was a bit loose, and it'll take a 40 mil rather than 35.
Let's have a bit of a look in there, see what you're talking about here.
Right, so these are screwed on with a little screwdriver. Yeah, that's really, really good shit. Right, okay. So see the hole there? It's fairly big. I'll go up. So you can see that's a better fit than the 35.
Yeah, yep, alright.
So tighten her up and we're all done. And we'll be able to screw our little waste unit into here, which will then go into a bucket or into a container. You're basically self-contained.
Which is good.
Yep. So
loving it.
That's it. So yeah, that's one that I'd recommend everyone do.
Alright, thanks mate. Back to work.